Alright guys, so this is how you spray paint. Okay. You get your can, okay? You get this, okay? You get that edge, okay? You look around, see if there's any any marks. Okay. You get that nice. So yeah. So you look, okay? So this stuff dries really fast. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys. Yo, what up guys? What's going on? Well guys, I'm in my jeans, my Hey Dudes, and my red polo shirt. You guys are probably wondering why I have a tripod with me, is because today's the day I'm putting my exhaust tip back on. I spray painted it, everything. So yeah, I'm heading to my car now. I'm gonna put the garage door down because it's really cold out here. So yeah, so yeah, let's do this. So yeah. It's freezing out there today. Alright, so it's all dry, everything. So yeah, see how like the paint is around that a little bit, guys? I gotta like scrub that off, but yeah, it looks pretty good. See, like I spin it. See, yeah, like written here, I gotta take that off, but it's pretty good, guys. But yeah, alright guys, so that's the exhaust tip. I gotta put my camera on my tripod, so see you guys. I'll see you in a couple minutes. Alright, bye guys. Alright guys, well, what kind of tools we need for this project is one, this with attachment. We will need gloves and all of these bolt things. See guys, so we need this, and definitely in the exhaust tip. Maybe need paint, and we need this. So yeah, from here, this, and this, we all need plus these. So yeah guys, yeah, so that's what it mostly is. So yeah, let's go get to the video. Alright, I'm walking over here. Guys, see, I'll put this down. So you guys, I got it down like that. Alright. Hey guys, sorry, I had to get my shoes on. So, you know what guys? Here, I'll show you very fast what I'm doing. Alright. So, alright guys. Okay, so yeah, what I'm doing first is that, okay, you get this. It's for the screw, okay? First you saw that you gotta put gloves on. This stuff is really, really, really greasy, guys. So let's move. Okay, put this up. Okay, yeah, so good. You got that. Get the other glove, okay? Put both hands, okay? You grab this, okay? So you see how it's like all messed, like weird on the edges there? So you can get a knife or sandpaper. I'd rather use sandpaper because if not, it probably scratch it up. So I recommend you guys do it very, very, very light around that edge because it will probably scratch it. So, okay, let's begin. I scratch like. Yeah, I'm just like taking that edge off. Okay, so it's all good now. Okay, so now it's like a little bit bumped like there, so I will use this very light. Okay, so some more spots. So now you kind of just like use your hand. Okay, so it's like that. So you gotta touch it up. So I'm gonna go outside, and yeah, I'm gonna spray paint this. But yeah, in the meantime, hope you guys have a good time in a minute. I'm gonna spray paint that really, really fast. And yeah, I'll put that up on the exhaust, and that's how you do it. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, bye. Alright guys, so I got the exhaust tip right here, so oh yeah, well, that's pretty bad. Oh, okay, so I gotta slide these things on. Sure this one's in already. Okay, I'll pull this out. Okay, it's like that, okay? So yeah, I gotta get up in here, okay, and I gotta like this thing doesn't look like it's not even in. I don't know why, but I gotta take this one off. Now, okay, I'll take this one off. So now I gotta pull this, like, I don't know how to really do this. Do I have backwards? Okay, so I'm gonna try it without them. So yeah, I have this, so I'm gonna put it back. Okay. Now I gotta pull the handy dandy flashlight out. Okay, so be here forward. Okay, now I got it out. I got that now. So now I need to get this. Alright, so that's snugged. Alright, so like this one more time. I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. Oh yeah. Yep, it's not. So now I gotta pull my camera back because I gotta. So okay, it's on my mark. Looks pretty damn good. Yeah, it looks pretty good, but I'm worried about this now. Now I gotta see if it starts now. Oh yeah, guys. So, and that's how you put an exhaust tip on. Look at that, guys. It's nice. Nice, all painted everything right here. That's nice. So, alright guys, hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Guys, I'm just such an idiot. Look. Well, these things I had in here. I looked through my picture, and yeah, so, okay. I got it on white. Let's try it again, okay. Yeah, I don't know why I was an idiot. But, well, whatever. Okay, so, got it on. Okay. Slide this bug on like this. This is how the wheel weight is going to go now. Like that. Get the trusty handy dandy thing. Think it's on? Okay, now. So I gotta lay down now. Guys, I gotta take that off really quick. Change my guys, I gotta use this, so I don't know what is the matter with it. Okay. So yeah. Alright. So right back under here. That's what I thought. Okay guys, so got this, okay? Get all the light. Maybe one more time just in case. One more down here. Oh. So that's how you guys do a nice vehicle. So yeah, let's start that baby up and see how good it is. Okay, let's. Oh my gosh. Why is this thing being so dumb now? Alright guys, so that's how you do it.